Hello guys, we're going for road trip, and there's a motorbike which is learner. It's a beautiful day. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today kumalata na nga namuskus mga lagmi. Wala kami sa akong mag-date me. Go for somewhere over the rainbow. Let's go. Why the traffic is bad here? And how come the learner motorbike can ride on their own?
Well, you can't put someone else on there that's teaching you.
Why?
No room.
It's like different from the car, no?
Yeah. It's not safe. Not safe for a
That old lady. So we're here guys, we're going to Supercheap.
Your radiator lives longer.
So which one we're gonna use? This one? Only $9, that one. That one is
Suitable for all types of antifreeze.
that one is empty.
Up to 70.
Coolant for our car. Dito kami sa Supercheap. Bumili kami ng para sa sakyan namin na petrol. Para sa car. Checking here. You can check. That's the screen. Why it's not working? What's that? Like that slide.
Not for this.
Particular oil for that? Huh? Dito magpataka og palit kay basig dili magamit no. Hindi magamit, masayang. So pag sure oy. For a light for high beam or low beam. High beam, low beam. Fish Naura Market. There's someone behind us. Fish Naura. The specialty. Dinner, you two? Foxy, ready for dinner? Beer. Foxy, ready for dinner? Yes? Okay, come on, dinner time. I'm gonna feed the little cutie. That's here there for Bear. Foxy, this is yours. Here's for Foxy, dinner. Ready for dinner. Eat. Oh my god, you're so fussy. Wait, eat. Dinner. Come on. Ayo, ilogi. Foxy, come here. Eat your dinner. My god. Come on, Swarty. You need to feed him. My god. Di mo kaon og dili hangitan. Come on here. Saan? Grabe ha. Here. Maghungit-hungit ang among Foxy, oy. Di man mo kaon, oy, og dili hangitan. Wala ka, Artie. Hoy! Sorry, it's the same, Foxy. Come here. Wala mo kaon. Here. Good boy. Why? Ay, pili-pili ko. Kalamin na ni mong food. Makaan man siya, pero hangitan pa siya.